Jelly Bean, gingerbread, big up on yourself. Hey people, more up on alright. So today is Saturday afternoon to be exact. Christ Family Church came and knocked at my door. Oh yeah, they gave me this. They invited. Oh shit. Sorry people, I try to figure out the Jesus piece here. So they gave me this little fish thing right here. Can I see it? Yeah. Nice little thing. The more I put it around my neck like, but I'm not a string or nothing. I know it's not thread for chip on my neck, but yeah. Open line my haircut still. I say me can do a little vlog about my haircut. Cause I'm fire back my barber. When you fire back your barber, you know your barber set you up decent, you know it's everything alright, right? So yeah, get into the meat of my time now. So yeah, Christ Family Church, you know, having a little like get together thing in the apartment. Bounce about food is there. Free food. You know I love my belly already, so not to watch no face still. But you don't know, say food have to eat. You know, but yeah. So them invite me, so I check it out and then I come back and you know I might vlog about it, yeah, I might show little clips and pieces like that and stuff. I'm not too comfortable with vlogging in public, but I gotta try. I'm gonna try and vlogging at the public, because you are vlogging at the public, everybody are gonna look for you. So come back or meet you there. Here at the concert, as you can see in the background. It's a small thing, but yeah, it's alright. A church get together and thing. I kinda wanna go on the bouncer bone over there, so but I don't. When I see the bouncer bone, yeah, bouncer bone over there, so but I'm not sure I can go on it, so you know, I have to go try so I can run out and go on it and thing, but I try and say I can play some game until about 2 o'clock, come have to leave and stuff, you know, head up Ireland and stuff like that. But yeah, it's alright, you know, but yeah. See me can get some of the free food, and it's really humid, I'm kind of burn up, but yeah. So the vibes turn up. It's Christian music. Turn up. So me I serve some hot dog now, because I'm hungry. So me I eat some of the food. But yeah. Alright, jelly bean and gingerbreads. I get some hot dog. So me I try to get them here. Right? I try to get them here. Over this one. Alright. So I'm gonna try my best. See if I can get them in there. Alright, that one them is. Close. I'm not great. I'm not going there. I'm a tired. Yes, jelly bean, gingerbread. People, find about my barber. I can't believe it. My barber never did it for about 2-3 weeks. I find about my barber. Look there, fresh again. I can't believe. Look at these people. I'm being spread. Hey, hold them there. Look at the east. Yo, look at the eyebrow shaven. Yo, sweet boy again. All the ladies, them don't know. Alright. Later, people. Gone. Rain or fall. I run go home now. I have a meeting for go and thing. Yeah.